Hello, I'm pleased to welcome you here in Saint-Dié-des-Vosges at the VirtuReaL Cluster, bringing together CIRTES, InSIC and INORI to present our innovative patented stratoconception process. To situate our work, we have to go back to 1985, when the objective was to produce 3D parts, complex parts, and to produce them in 3D, both inside and outside. Our idea at that time was to virtually slice a part and then build it back together by layers and, in our work, from solid layers. So that was when we started the first work and patented in 1991 the French process called stratoconception. From this work in 1991, in order to develop and create the software and the workstations, the idea was to found the CIRTES Research and Development Center, which made it possible to innovate, to apply, obviously over time, for many patents and especially to bring out the stations which are on the market today. So after producing this small-scale prototype on a small stratoconception station, we then manufacture this product, this armchair in 1:1 scale on a large-scale station. The stratoconception process, due to the assembly of solid layers, is without limitation of shapes and without limitation of size, and above all without limitation of materials. It is possible to produce parts in wood, in polymer, and more especially in metal. The last major patented innovation of our stratoconception process is the Pack&Strat application. We will start from an existing object, here a sculpture, or its digital file obtained by computer-aided design. Thus, from this digital file, the Pack&Strat software will very quickly determine the bounded box. I mean, it will search for the volume outside this object and will automatically generate the inner packaging in 3 dimensions of this object. So the interest of the system is to build a fully bounding 3D packaging from sheets or material such as corrugated cardboard, thus an ecological packaging, a fully recyclable packaging that can be reused several times, but a recyclable packaging. As we are talking about the things that make life easier, here is another example of very practical innovation. This custom-made packaging manufactured on demand to allow the most fragile objects to be sent safely. You see, nothing moves. We almost create a second envelope around the objects, so we are quite sure that they will no longer move inside the box. You see, it's nice. What kind of use do you make of this Pack&Strat solution? We actually use this packaging system to send all our spare parts abroad, but also to our subcontractors. We work with them to properly protect our parts, which naturally have a certain value, and so it would be a shame if they arrived damaged. Today, the media talk about 3D printing. Our additive manufacturing process is of course situated in this context. This is a 100% French process. This is a worldwide patented process. This is a software 100% developed by our teams, and these are real workstations that are built in partnership with French manufacturers of machines. Such machines that range from a simple A4 format, so more for a general public, to machines that go up to 3 meters, 11 meters, to make parts and especially tools.